Hey, what's going on guys? It's your boy Linny. Welcome back to the channel. Got a package. Let's go ahead and tear this thing open and see what's inside of it. Okay, I can't find my knife, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the key today. And here we go. Test pipe is in. Here she is. Whew, that's fat. Hello. But yeah, nice and hollow. Hopefully this will kind of free up some airflow there. So let's go ahead and install it, but we can't do it here because it is raining currently. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and head on down to Bellevue and see if we can't install this at Ray's place. Let's get over there. Ooh, so I have the test pipe with me. It is very chilly outside right now. It's 8:30 a.m. Went to bed really late last night, so this is no bueno, but we are going down to Bellevue right now. Here's a little cold start for you real quick, just to see what it sounds like before we put on the test pipe. Alright guys, we are at Ray's place. Got the Accord in the garage over there, and the Audi's here. I'm about to rev this thing up for him so he can hear it. Alrighty. Holy shit!
Oh my
Jesus
God,
Christ. We're about to put the car up in the air. Gosh, this will be exciting, guys. I am ready to do this. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, we've just spent the last half hour trying to get these rusted bolts off. Make sure you guys get PB Blaster if you're going to put on a test pipe from your stock exhaust, because whew, that thing is super rusted on. We used breaker bars or feet, but you can see we're kind of working with a pretty rough situation here. Car's really low, we don't have much of a jack situation as well, so kind of just moving with it. But yeah, so one more bolt to go, and then we can go ahead and smack this thing in there with the new hardware. It's gonna be sick. All right, so here's a side-by-side comparison of, here's the cat, and here's our test pipe, of course. Straight through on this one, not so straight through on this one. So that'll free up a lot of restrictive flow there. And I think it's already dead anyway. Plus, there's the heat shield on it. That's gonna be a significant, actually it's about the same weight, so maybe this is a little lighter. Alrighty, car is finished up here. Huge shout out to Ray as always, guys. Thank you, man, for helping me out here. We struggled on the car for a little bit, so that was fun, but here we go. First startup with the new test pipe. Oh, she's deep. Oh God, I can't wait to hear hear it when it's like driving too. It's a little bit deeper, guys. So, whew, you hear that? Oh God, I can't. Okay, you ready? Oh, it smells terrible. Alrighty guys, so a couple of days ago we put in that test pipe, and then afterwards I was driving and I was racing a Genesis on the freeway, and we were doing like 140-ish, but I had my foot to the floor in fifth for a long time, and check engine light started flashing at me. So then I stopped the car, checked it all out. We cleared the code, Alex and I cleared the code, and it hasn't come back yet. I've done a couple pulls. It sounds pretty normal, but it's having trouble starting sometimes. We're just gonna go ahead and get new spark plugs, see if there's any damage to the old ones, and then, you know, it'll be nice to have iridium ones anyway, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. And it's seemingly fairly simple, at least for the fronts. The rears might be harder to get to, but it shouldn't be too terribly hard. I've got Ray with me here today. We're about to head into AutoZone here, grab some iridium spark plugs, NGK, and we will be right back, and then we'll start working on the car. Let's go ahead and get started on that. Got our iridium spark plugs here. We don't have the laser iridium ones. The guy said they were pretty much the same anyway, and it's cheaper, so we'll go ahead and install these pretty soon here. Oh, I am so bright. Yeah, I'm gonna, oh, even with that, I'm so bright. Okay. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go install those. You better gun it right now, because that guy's fucking on your ass. As you can see here, we've got the engine cover pulled off. It's just the two little kind of Phillips head, or the flathead little pieces. They turn each one and they just pop out super easy on that cover. And then here we got the actual coil packs and their connecting cables. I've marked them. They're obviously not 1, 2, 3. It's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. But it's just for making it easier. We did it here, so it's really just this little clip here. Pull it up. And then these are 6mm Allen bolts, and then you just pull this out, and then get your spark plug remover, and you can pull out the old ones. So where is the old one, by the way?
There's one of them.
Oh, so here's one of the old ones. It's looking pretty gnarly. We're just gonna go ahead and replace them with these brand new ones right here.
Shiny.
So bright and shiny. Yeah, let's go ahead and do it. And it's just until they're snug in there, be very gentle with it. They're pre-gapped, the NGK ones, so we should be good to go after these. Let's get the rest done. And then the back, pretty much the same process. It's just a little harder to get in here, but that's it. Hey guys, we're chilling in a little parking garage right now. We just got the back 3 done, and the car is running a little bit smoother now. I think it still might have some timing issues. Maybe we skipped timing or something. I'm not sure. Still feeling a little bit odd, but pulls are feeling pretty good. There definitely was a misfire in cylinder 3. That was a pain. But I'm gonna rev this real quick for you guys. Listen to this. Ah, fuck! Woo, he crackles! Oh, it's too good, guys. And I think that will have to do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.